Alex here with Aving News. Thank you for joining us here. It's KIMES 2025, and we got some amazing companies that we're talking to in the medical field, medical equipment, imaging, all these different categories. We get to talk to some of the up-and-coming ones here too, especially those from the Inspire Pavilion, and that's who we're talking to right now. So we've got over here our CEO, Chang-ho, correct?
Right.
Can you go ahead and introduce yourself to the people out there and BioLink as well?
Okay, thank you. First of all, thank you for inviting me, Aving. And I'm Jong-ho Hong. I'm CEO of the BioLink. Actually, BioLink is the AI-driven medical solution company, especially dedicated to the innovative solution for predicting some special disease in serious disease, especially stroke and cancer. Now I want to talk about the first solution about the NeuroCast. LucaCast.
LucaCast, yes.
Yeah, LucaCast. Luca means the lung cancer, stand for lung cancer, and cast means the predict. So this solution can predict the lung cancer risk within the 5 years, while the patient checks the CT scan or feel normal, but we can predict. So I think this product can make, but unfortunately, lung cancer is one of the deadliest cancer wide world, right?
And it goes untreated because it's hard to find until late.
Right,
especially
right.
It's not just smokers, anyone can get lung cancer.
Exactly.
And that's the problem,
Yeah, so maybe 43% patient with lung cancer is already at stage 4.
Wow.
That means the terminal at the time of the diagnosis.
Yes.
So that is very sad news, right?
Absolutely.
So this solution can be predicts very early stage. That is the big power for this solution. So maybe we want hope. Many people with lung cancer can easily detect very early stage for the lung cancer.
Yeah.
So that's why we introduced and showcasing the LucaCast. Okay.
And LucaCast, is that your main product that you're displaying, or do you have other products on display here as well?
Oh yes, right. We have a server solution for predict some disease or some prognosis. For example, we have a stroke cast. So if patient have a severe stroke, we want or a family want to know their or patient's prognosis, right?
Yeah.
So it can be my product. Our product stroke cast can be predict their functional outcome at 3 months after onset and also 1 year after onset. And the other solution is in NeuroCast. NeuroCast is also about the stroke patient. If patient have a stroke, acute ischemic stroke, it's maybe 25% of the ischemic stroke patient can suffer from the early neurologic deterioration. But NeuroCast can predict how percent they can be, right?
Oh, great. Well, let's talk a little bit about the Korean market and kind of where you guys are at in the Korean market. What are some of the challenges of the Korean market?
I think one of the biggest challenge in Korea is regulation, and the other is the reimbursement policy. So, if Korean FDA approval is very crucial, so it made me very hard.
It's a very stressful time getting that approval sometimes, yeah.
And the other concern is the reimbursement policy. So that can make many AI company it's hard to make some money. Yeah.
Sure, absolutely.
Yeah.
Well, what about tell us a little bit about the background of your company. How did you guys start? Did you start with predicting lung cancer, or like what made you guys start the company?
Okay, that is a very important question, I think, because I'm a neurologist professor. So I'm working at the tertiary hospital in Korea. When I work and take care of my patient, I feel the huge gap about the prediction. I know and totally I agree with the exact diagnosis. That is very important thing in the clinical field, but
Right.
prognosis is I cannot solve it for my patient. They ask every day, every time, after discharge or during the transfer. They asked, but I cannot ask the exact answer. So that's why I wanna make up and fill up this huge gap. So that's why I make my company. And also that's the reason my company has a link. So that's why BioLink.
That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
I appreciate the explanation on that. Talk to me about your next future plans when it comes to the global market. Do you have any plans to expand, or do you have anything in the works right now?
Sure. Actually, now our CAST product is on the clinical trial in Korea for the Korean FDA approval. And also, I'm preparing the FDA approval for US market because that is a huge market, right?
Sure.
So now I'm preparing all of these things, and then next year I want to expand the global market. For example, the EU, something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's talk about how KIMES 2025 is helping with that, and also the Inspire Pavilion, right? That's what you're a part of. Tell us what you're looking forward to this week. What are you hoping to get out of it?
KIMES 2025, and especially this pavilion, Inspire Pavilion, make me, that is very powerful and excellent platform for connect the networking and sharing my company's and also inspiring my thought. So that is I think that is good choice. I joined in this KIMES 2025. I hope to connect more another network, and I want to see the other investor and other company that we can do collaborate together. Yeah.
Well, absolutely. And there's tons of people here from all over the world, not just Korea, obviously.
Yeah, sure.
So final question here then. Let's talk about the future of BioLink. What are some fields you're looking into, maybe beyond this, or is it more about expanding your product? What is your next steps, I should ask?
As I mentioned before, is that now I'm preparing the approval, the FDA. That's why I want to go to the global market, especially first US, and the next step is the Europe. That is my short-term goal, but finally, I want to fill up the huge gap in the clinical medical field. Yeah.
Well, certainly some noble goals, some noble, lofty expectations. Hopefully, I get to see a lot of success out of your company and see you again, at future exhibitions as well with more exciting news coming from you. Before we go, though, can you give any words of congratulations? It is KIMES 2025, the 40th year here. Is there anything you'd like to say about that?
Yeah. Congratulations, KIMES 2025, and see you next year.
We'll see you next year. Thank you so much for joining us.
Thank you.
CEO of BioLink.
Yeah,
Great,
thank
thank
you.
you. you.